Hi guys, it's me from I Think Kids. Today guys, I'm going to be cutting open a squishy. And it's filled up with rainbow Orbeez. It's really squishy. And I'm going to be using like an ice cream bowl, whatever. It's really big, so I call it a bowl. And then I'm going to need some scissors. Be careful with the scissors. Anyways, let's get to open this. So I'm gonna open it from the top here. I don't know how to do this. I'm scared. Hold on. Oh! Look at the plastic that came out. Ew. That's disgusting. And now we just have the Orbeez. There's something in the Orbeez. Oh guys, look what has in the Orbeez. It's so close. So now I'm just gonna go wash down the Orbeez. I got some water. You put it in. Oh, I feel so weird. Light this thing up and put it in here. Now it looks so cool. Oh, but it feels really cool, but weird. Guys, want to see it? Oh. So pretty. Guys, get ready to see it. Look at it. Now I'm gonna get a white Orbeez and see if I can pop it. Oh, where's the Orbeez? Yeah. That's a white Orbeez. It's impossible. But anyways, look at this. Oh. Guys, this feels so good. Oh my gosh. So many Orbeez. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful clear Orbeez. I popped it. I literally popped the beautiful blue Orbeez. So guys, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and also hit that hit that bell button, make it ding. Make it ding. And guess what? That thumbs up button changes color if you press it. So, bye guys. My hands are all dirty.